Before we get to Dana, check out these pictures from the Mount Washington Observatory. Last night, there were some thunderstorms nearby that generated a number of lightning strikes. The observatory was able to get some pictures of cloud to ground lightning and shared it on social media. Wow. That's cool. What a shot.
Beautiful pictures.
And I know we're tracking some thunderstorms in some parts of the state tonight, right, Dana?
Yeah, we've kind of seen some scattered showers and thunderstorms, particularly in areas of northern and western Maine, though less so here in Maine than in other areas of New England. But yeah, we still are tracking a few. But our temperatures today were pretty average for around this time of year. We got into the upper 70s, got some lower 80s out there. Keep in mind our average high temperature there is 78 degrees. And yeah, we've been watching these scattered showers and thunderstorms. A lot of them have actually begun to dissipate in the past half an hour or so. You can kind of see them begin to fizzle out through areas of northern and western Maine. The kind of largest line of storms that we have right here is just moving through the Portland area, some areas of some localized downpours as well as some lightning. Might see a little bit of hail with some of these stronger cells, but overall we're not expecting really that much severe weather in accordance with any of the storms that we've seen out there today. So within the next couple of hours, we might see a couple more showers and storms pop up, but most of them are over at this point, and especially once the sun goes down, we lose a lot of the fuel for that thunderstorm activity, and then we end up with a mostly clear night. I think we could see some fog development, especially along the immediate coastline and in the valleys of the northern mountains, but it burns off relatively quickly tomorrow morning, and I think we end up with a really nice afternoon. It will be a little bit sticky in the humidity department, but our temperatures will get into the upper 70s, some lower 80s, plenty of sunshine out there. I do think it is one of the best days of the week because Wednesday, things are going to start to change a little bit. So early Wednesday morning, we're going to start to see a cold front approaching from the north. So this is a look at Wednesday at 4 a.m. here, kind of just starting to see some of those showers move into areas of northern Maine. This is a look at the morning commute for Wednesday. That's when we'll see some showers and possibly some embedded thunderstorms through areas of northern and western Maine. And then this front moves through areas of central and down east Maine, kind of right around lunchtime. Now this model here has sped up at this cold front within the past few hours. So I think there is a possibility of just some couple lingering showers along the immediate coastline right around dinner time. But I think most of it should kind of move out of our area by about sundown on Wednesday. Now, once this cold front moves through, our temperatures and our dew points will drop pretty starkly. And I think early Thursday morning, some areas near like Rangeley or Berlin could even be in the upper 30s, kind of right before sunrise on Thursday. So now we're also tracking this cold front for the weekend. Looks like we'll see some scattered showers throughout the afternoon on Saturday as well as overnight. Now, how fast this cold front moves is going to determine our forecast for Sunday. So the European model here is much more progressive. It has a front moving through Saturday night, and therefore our Sunday would be dry. However, the GFS or American model does not agree. It has the front lingering a little bit longer, so we might see some more scattered showers early on Sunday morning. Temperature is also a bit of a roller coaster this week. The next 2 days will be a little bit on the warm side, upper 70s, lower 80s, but as we get into the midweek, temperatures will be much below average, but then all the way back to Sunday, we kind of jump back up to average temperatures there once again. Marine forecast seas 2 feet, ocean temp 67 degrees. So in terms of our 7-day forecast, within kind of the next day, I think is really one of the nicer days of the week, guys, because then we'll have that cold front move through on Wednesday, where we'll see some scattered showers and storms. And then it's almost a little bit fall-like Thursday, Friday, a little bit cooler out there. However, we will keep a close eye on the weekend forecast because it is that holiday weekend. Hopefully we'll be able to get that cold front through quickly, but we'll be watching it.
A lot of time to figure it out.
Mm-hmm.
All right, thanks, Tina.